Unlock the secret to turning your creative ideas into a lucrative business with StickerLab. Imagine creating stunning stickers in seconds and selling them across multiple platforms. With StickerLab, you're not just starting a business, you're building a brand with endless earning opportunities. Whether you're a creative entrepreneur, side hustler, or someone with zero experience, StickerLab is designed for you. In just 3 easy steps, you can generate, manage, and sell your unique sticker designs. Step 1. Describe your sticker idea, choose your style, and click Generate to watch the magic happen. Every design is 100% unique, ensuring no duplicates across your creations. Step 2. Organize and manage your collections in your sticker dashboard, ready for instant download. Export your stickers effortlessly, ready to upload to any sales platform. Step 3. Sell across multiple channels like Etsy, Shopify, Redbubble, Printful, or Amazon. Maximize your profits with no hidden fees or middlemen. Every sale goes directly into your pocket. StickerLab isn't just another design tool, it's your all-in-one business solution. Platforms like YouTube are filled with real-life success stories and step-by-step tutorials. No design skills needed. StickerLab's AI does all the heavy lifting for you. Simply type your idea and click Generate to get a professional quality sticker design. Sell digital stickers on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Creative Market, and Selfie. Sell physical stickers through print-on-demand services like Redbubble, Amazon, Printful, and Printify. Build recurring income with monthly or themed sticker bundles. Launch your own branded sticker shop on Shopify or WooCommerce. Every sticker you create is yours to own entirely, with full commercial rights. Start creating, start selling, and start earning today with StickerLab.